Hi there, welcome to the Life Skills Green. Today we are going to learn chapter 8 from this book, Good Grammar. We have learned 7 chapters earlier. Now we are going to learn chapter 8. This is conjugation table of past simple tense. I wrote a lesson. We use second form of the verb I wrote a lesson. I did not write a lesson. This is negative. When we put did, then we again write the first form of the verb. When we use simple or affirmative sentence, we use always second form of the verb in past simple tense. I wrote a lesson. I did not write a lesson. Did I write a lesson? When you put did in front of the sentence, and then you have to use again first form of the verb. This is interrogative sentence. Okay, here we have what is the past simple tense. We use past simple tense to talk about actions that started and finished in the past. We often use it when the time of the action is clear and finished. We are talking about yesterday, last week, last year, in 2005, etc. We describe a story, event, or experience. This tense helps us tell stories, describe past events, and explain what happened before now. Here we have examples in all forms: I, you, John, he, Mary. Here you have tables. This is affirmative sentences column, and this is negative column, and this is interrogative sentences column. Let me read for you here. I wrote a lesson yesterday. I did not write a lesson yesterday. Did I write a lesson yesterday? I watched a movie last night. I did not watch a movie last night. Did I watch a movie last night? I finished my work on time. I did not finish my work on time. Did I finish my work? You played well last match. You did not play well. Did you play well? You helped me a lot. You did not help me. Did you help me? You called me in the evening. You did not call me. Did you call me yesterday? So you have many example sentences in these columns. John went to the store. John did not go to the store. Did John go to the store? John made tea in the morning. John did not make tea. Did John make tea? John spoke to the manager. John did not speak to the manager. Did John speak to the manager? He ate lunch at 1 p.m. He did not eat lunch. Did he eat lunch? He drove to school. He did not drive to school. Did he drive to school? He met the teacher. He did not meet the teacher. Did he meet the teacher? Mary. Mary cooked dinner last night. Mary did not cook dinner. Mary cleaned her room. Mary did not clean her room. Did Mary clean her room? Did Mary study? And you have more example columns here. She danced at the party. She did not dance. Did she dance? She bought a gift. She did not buy a gift. Did she buy a gift? She joined the meeting. She did not join the meeting. Did she join the meeting? It rained heavily yesterday. It did not rain yesterday. Did it rain yesterday? We watched a movie on Friday. We did not watch a movie. Did we watch a movie? So here you have Ali and Sarah studied for the exam. Ali and Sarah did not study. Did Ali and Sarah study? So you have other examples as well. Now they traveled to Lahore. They did not travel. Did they travel? You have also these example sentences, extra example sentences in past simple tense. They worked hard. They did not work hard. Did they work hard? They painted the wall. They did not paint the wall. Did they paint the wall? And you have here other use in real life communication. We use the past simple tense in storytelling. Once upon a time, a boy lived in a quiet village. We walked to the river every morning and sang songs in daily conversations. Did you go to the mall yesterday? Yes, I bought a pair of shoes. I didn't eat lunch today. I cooked pasta at home. In texting and chats as well. Sorry, I missed your call. I slept early. No problem, I texted you before class. And here you have in news and reports, the Prime Minister visited Karachi yesterday. Scientists discovered a new planet last week. The tense is very useful for sharing experiences, talking about your past day, time, asking about events and more. So you have here exercises to put in. You have given already with verbs here, and you have to make then negative sentences. He went to the park, he did not go to the park, like that. And here you have to make questions.